What is activity-based product costing? Well, generally, if you ever hear this term, it's a combination of activity-based costing practices, which is more for internal or managerial accounting, with your product costing approaches that you use for external reporting. They can be used in combination or together. So to start with, activity-based costing. Well, the purpose of it is to assign all indirect costs like overhead to the production process, okay, the production process of a product. Now, to do that, it creates a basic pool of costs that are associated with a given activity, right? It assigns these activities and what the costs are from these activities together, and then you divide all those costs by the activity driver, right? So you get at least some metric that you can apply to and basically say anytime that this activity is present as part of a process, and that process could be the production of a product, right? You would allocate that activity base, that cost to it. So you're allocating overhead, right? The cost associated with overhead to a specific activity that occurs, right, as part of the production process, okay? Now, this process can be used as part of product costing, right? What you use to come up with the price for a product. As well, the product costing approach in itself generally seeks to assign all costs to a product so that you can record that again as cost of goods sold, or if you use an alternative approach to selling and general administrative expenses. But once again, if you cost the product completely and put it in the cost of goods sold, then you would record that as that cost when the good sells. Now, there are different approaches to product costing. You can attach, again, the product cost to the job, to the process, directly to some activity, or through another process called throughput. That's beyond the scope of this discussion. But just understand that activity-based costing and product costing can go hand in hand, and activity-based costing particularly can be used, again, to assign costs to a particular production activity that results in products, so that you understand the activities that go into the product that gives rise to the ultimate cost there. And then again, that cost understanding can be used for all sorts of functions, like management decisions, like setting prices, and like calculating the cost of goods sold.